Nope. Hey guys. Either you believe in Jesus or you don't. Either you believe in Jesus or you don't. So we done shopping. We're in the line for Auntie Annie's, and it's not that bad. My nephew don't want to be online because he don't want to make his auntie rich. But that's okay. Haven't had Auntie Annie's in so long. The blueberry, raspberry, and what kind is that one? Strawberry. Auntie Annie's. Oh man.
Oh wow.
Oh,
You're not even trying, bro.
he get tired. Oh. Oh man, I should. Whoa, gutter ball. Where?
There we go.
There you go. Oh, good job.
You gotta make one bounce off the other.
Yeah.
That was the most nonchalant ball.
He's trying to hold it. He's trying to hold it from us. Oh, what? Oh, good job. Let's get it. Oh, man. You don't mind being on camera, do you? Okay. Thank you. I won. Okay, here. How am I doing it?